For Concho Valley weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Dan Smith, your weather authority.
Well, yesterday's cold front provided us with a lovely day across the Concho Valley, if not a little bit warmer than expected, thanks to a little bit of extra sunshine. Outside right now, we are looking at 92 degrees being recorded at Mathis Field. So again, we're around 92, 93 for our daytime high today. I would expect that to be just a couple degrees warmer tomorrow. Otherwise, dew point 66 degrees, humidity at 42%. That was really the only oppressive part of the day, if you will, with that somewhat higher humidity. It was, needless to say, a lot nicer to have that temperature further away from that triple-digit mark. Winds from the east at 16 miles an hour. That has actually slowly ramped up in the past few hours or so, although I would expect it to actually go down a little bit through the overnight hours, generally between 5 and 10 miles an hour. Satellite radar composite, well, can see just sort of on the periphery some cloud cover trying to make its way back into the Concho Valley after we had that clearing trend earlier this afternoon. You can see down in some of our southeastern counties some rain trying to make it over towards Junction. I don't know if they had any particular success. I think it remained just south of Junction there and south of Interstate 10. As we zoom this out, though, you can see this was the cold front that had come through yesterday, and now it's pretty well washed out. It's pretty well stationary down in parts of South Texas. Houston, though, you're going to see it right down here, really getting slammed by some precipitation this afternoon and evening. Almanac for today, high of 93 degrees. Normally we should be at 95. How long ago have I said that we have below normal highs for the day? I am just so enamored with that. Record of 109 set back in 1986. Low this morning, well, same thing, 67 degrees. Normally we should be at 71. Again, thank you, cold front. Record of 57 set back in 1940. And rainfall, well, not so much. Didn't quite hit the mark yesterday. We had very light amounts earlier this morning, scattered across the city. But it's one of those situations where half the city wouldn't believe the other half of the city that it actually rained today. 93 degrees in Ozona otherwise. 90 in El Dorado and Sonora, a little bit cooler at Menard and Junction, clocking in at 84 degrees. Coming up to 93 at Big Lake, 92 in San Angelo. 79, though, noticeable cool spot at Coleman. In fact, there was a flood advisory issued earlier today for Coleman. They were one of the very few spots in the Concho Valley to get any rainfall, let alone a fair bit. 81 in Lubbock, otherwise 80 degrees in Abilene. And all the way in El Paso, we are reading our only triple-digit mark on the state of Texas map. Forecast for tonight, 70 degrees. I'm still going to keep it pretty seasonably mild out there. Partly cloudy skies persisting, just a little bit of a light breeze. Winds from the south 5 to 10 miles an hour. Otherwise, for tomorrow, I've still got it kicking up to 95 degrees. It's going to be pretty seasonably warm out there, thanks to mostly sunny skies and that south breeze up to 15 miles an hour. I think we might have some higher wind gusts embedded in that, though. And your weather authority extended forecast showing Sunday, 99 degrees. We're going to be flirting with those triple digits yet again over the weekend before we come down just a little bit for Monday, 96 degrees with a 20% chance of rainfall. For tonight's Community Connection, come on downtown with the kids tomorrow for Downtown Movie Night. Tomorrow's feature will be Disney's Big Hero 6. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's a perfect 10. Seriously, I actually really love this movie. Bring a lawn chair or blanket and a bit of spending money, as concessions will be served. That's tomorrow around 9 p.m. between the Cactus Hotel and Miss Hattie's. For more information, visit downtownmovienight.com.
All right.